Alright, we're working on a 97 through 2001 Toyota Camry today. And actually I don't know if all the years on these years, this generation Camry has this or not, but I know the 01 and 02 does. There's this little electronic air solenoid that goes on the side of the air cleaner box where the air filter is right here. And it's mounted right back there between the strut tower and the air cleaner box. And a couple weeks ago we had to take this air cleaner box out. The rubber hose that slides over one of these corner, I think this one right here, was stuck on it pretty tight, and while we're twisting trying to get it off, we broke this stem off on a vacuum switching valve. Went to the junkyard, got another one, and we're going to install that today, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. It's just a little Phillips screw holds it in, and it's not hard at all to change, and you can save yourself a ton of money by doing this yourself with either a used part or a part you bought yourself on the cheap. We're going to squeeze this connector here to the top of the air box. There's a little tab right there you squeeze and pull this whole clip off with. Alright, there's one electrical connector that we squeezed a little tab on and pulled off. And now we have a white hose connector here. We're going to squeeze and pull that hose off there like that. Set that back out of the way. And once we get those off, there's a single Phillips screw on the top right here that comes out, and then the whole valve will pull right out of the air cleaner housing. Alright, here's the culprit here. There's the wire connector I was telling you about. There's the screw holes. It goes like this. The top screw hole locks it in place. The bottom little ear here slides over a pin, and then the big end of the pipe slips into a rubber grommet in the air cleaner housing. And the other end of that rubber hose I showed you that comes off slides over a nipple that sticks out here, and you can see where that broke off. So we're going to discard this. And we already have the new one here, as I showed you already. It goes on just like this, with the larger plastic nipple going into the grommet in the box, and one Phillips screw holding it on here. Then we'll slide the new hose and clamp, or the air hose and clamp over this one, hook up our one connector there, and we'll be all set.